If you're asking yourself, do I really need insurance for my ATM machines? You're in the right place. My name is Omar, and I'm going to tell you all about ATM insurance. Check it out. I'm going to start off by saying, you're not required to have ATM insurance on your machines. It's not like state regulated or anything where you need it, but it's really smart to get it just in case if something does happen, you know you're covered. When you're shopping around for ATM insurance, not a lot of insurance companies provide that type of service. So you need to look for specialty risk insurance. Those are the insurance companies that offer to cover your ATM machines. The thing that you have to keep in mind is that you can't just cover one machine. You have to cover, I think, at least 3 or more machines. So you can't just have, let's say, 10 machines and you go ahead and just like pick 1 or 2. I think the minimum is 3 or more. So just because insurance companies require you to have 3 or more machines covered, they usually quote you on like a bundled premium that covers all the machines that are covered. So you're gonna understand that like when you divide it into individual machines, it's gonna be about $15 to $20 per month per machine. So if you're paying $15 to $20 per month per machine for ATM insurance, what does that really cover? So ATM insurance usually covers crime, theft, fire, personal, and property liability. Just to keep it really simple, just remember, ATM insurance covers the machine itself, the cash inside the machine, and personal liability. Usually, personal liability is more money just because it's a higher risk. So the cool thing about ATM insurance is that it covers the cash inside the ATM machine. So let's say that one machine gets robbed or something happens to it and you lose that cash, the ATM insurance will cover that. You just have to remember that when you talk to your insurance company, you have to tell them how much money you want to cover in the ATM machine. So let's say you want to kind of cut costs and you say, oh, you know, I'll just do $1,000 coverage. And you have, let's say, $3,000 inside the machine. And something happens to that machine, now you're down $2,000 just because you're only covered for that $1,000. So just make sure, don't be cheap when it comes to ATM insurance, because in the long run, it could really save you money. That's basically it, guys. I mean, it's really simple. Just keep in mind that it's probably going to cost you about $15 to $20 per machine per month for ATM insurance. And those insurance companies that specialize in specialty risk typically want you to have more than 3 ATM machines. And the last thing, just because the ATM insurance covers the cash inside the machine, make sure you tell them the right amount of money that's going to be inside the machine, or else you could be losing money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.